In Java, a variable is a container that holds data that can be manipulated and referenced in a program. Variables are fundamental to programming, as they allow you to store and manipulate information. Before using a variable in Java, you must declare it with a specific data type. Variable declaration. Before you can use a variable, you must declare it. Declaration tells the compiler the name and data type of the variable. Syntax: data underscore type variable underscore name. Example: int age. This is a declaration of an integer variable named age. Variable initialization. After declaring a variable, you can initialize it by assigning a value. Syntax: variable underscore name equals value. Example: age equals 25. This is initializing age with the value 25. Alternatively, you can declare and initialize in one step. Int age equals 25. This is declaration and initialization in one step. Naming rules. Variable names in Java must follow certain rules. Start with a letter, underscore, or $sign, $. Subsequent characters can be letters, digits, underscores, or $signs. Avoid using Java keywords as variable names. Variable names are case sensitive. Here's a simple example. See you again. Thank you.